Hello everyone, welcome to I Must GATE Academy. Do you know what is the eligibility criteria for GATE 2025 exam? Let's check it out with me. When you will go to the official website of GATE 25 iitr.ac.in, here you can see in the home page you can see applications eligibility criteria. You need to, before filling the application form, candidates are advised to ensure that they meet the eligibility criteria for the upcoming GATE exam. You need to be read these eligibility criteria, okay, as lots of the students having dilemma ki ma'am whether I'm eligible for the GATE 25 or not. So yes, don't worry, I'm going to tell you the details. If you are eligible, then you can fill the form. If you are not eligible, then you need to wait for your eligibility. Let's check it out. So first of all, here, who can fill the form? Candidates who are currently studying in the third year, not second year. Third year or higher years of any undergraduate degree program, or who have completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts and humanities are eligible to appear for the GATE 25. Okay, it's not only for the engineers, it is for the arts students also, science student also, it's for the humanities and commerce also. Please check it out, this one. Now we are having some very professional institutes here in the India, to some professional societies or institution which conduct examination in various field of engineering are given here. Which one? Institution of Engineers, IE, the Institution of Civil Engineers, ICE, okay, IETE, AESI, IICHE, which is the Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers, then IIM and the Indian Institute of Industrial Engineers, that is triple IE also. So candidates who possess certification from any such, means these institutions, okay, these professional societies must ensure that those examinations are approved by MOE, AICTE, UGC, UPSC are being equivalent to BE, BTech, B Architecture, B Planning, etc. Please check it out, this one. Now, candidates who have obtained or are pursuing their qualifying degree from the countries other than India, if you are from outside the India, then also you are eligible for writing the GATE exam. But in which condition? Candidates must be currently in the third or the highest year, or must have completed their bachelor degree, okay, of at least 3-year duration. So bachelor degree should be of minimum 3 years, okay, in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts or humanities. Any candidates fulfilling the above mentioned criteria is eligible to appear for GATE 2025 beta. More details of eligibility criteria are given below. What is that? Candidate pursuing any higher degree or in possession of a degree higher than that mentioned in the table below will be allowed. So minimum third year student or more than third year or final year or graduate student are eligible here. No second year, first year students are eligible. Please check it out. Okay, candidates with BSc, BA, BCom degree 3-year program, desires of seeking admission to master program in IITs and ISC are also eligible. Okay, so and here even they mention also degree or program. If you are having B BTech or B Pharmacy, then bachelor degree in engineering technology 4-year after 10 plus 2 or 3 years after BSc or diploma in engineering and technology. So currently in the third year or higher, you are eligible here. Okay, B Architecture also they mention here. Acha, international ME MTech post BSc. So this is post BSc, not integrated. Sorry, post BSc integrated master's degree program in the engineering or technology are also eligible. In this case, you should be currently in the first, second, third, or the fourth year or already completed. Okay, so integrated, it means lots of the students appear with the integrated courses also. Now, to integrated ME, MTech, M Pharmacy also are eligible. And then professional society exams, I will already show you the professional society meaning. So professional society examination equivalent to BE, BTech or architect, in this case completed section A or equivalent of such professional courses. Okay guys, so in this case you can fill the form, and you know that the last date of form filling will be 26th September. Before that you can fill the form. For more details you need to go to here directly homepage, and here in the homepage apply online is already available. You can just register yourself. You need to log in and you can start form filling. Dear students, stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel.